Hi, in front of me Honor Magic 4 Pro device, and now I will show you how to set up newbie share on your device. Firstly, you need to open control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile location services. Cool, now just find here newbie share, click and hold on it, wait a while, click add or verify, click agree and enable newbie share. Here you can change your device name, for example Honor Magic 4 Pro device. You can change device visibility mode for contacts only, you can be visible or you can be visible for everyone. And you can change data usage mode. If you will use data mode includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Wi-Fi includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, of course, without internet, using only Bluetooth. So that's it. Now you can share and receive data using newbie share. For example, if I want to send this image from my OnePlus device to from my another Android device to my Honor device, I click share, then newbie share, then I need to click on my device name on available devices, then click accept on my Honor device, and as you can see, photo was successfully sent. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.